560599. Just about to take you on a short walk round tour of a Sprite Alpine 2 2021 Swift that we currently have in stock. So here is a good look at that beautiful two-berth Caravan. So a wonderfully well-spec'd two-berth Caravan. Nice large front locker box there for 2 6kg gas bottles, light items, just being conscious and careful of your nose weight. As we come down the side of the Caravan, you've got this chrome Sprite logo, and the logo going down the side all the way to this rear access habitation door with clip-on magnet. So stepping inside the Caravan, the first thing you notice is the combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. 3 gas hob burners benefiting in this particular model, with a white locker above in the kitchen area and an easy usable height microwave. Nice generous size stainless steel sink with grey work surface and work surface extension. Under counter Dometic fridge. Over this side you've got the first television point located here, where you can pop a TV on this side binnacle area here with storage underneath. One of the key changes for 2021 is this introduction now of this Arale Zen wood grain going throughout the lockers. You've got the panoramic sunroof at the front now standard, and that locker effect again going further throughout. The fabric scheme for the Sprite range has carried through from 2020 to 2021. So this wonderful two-tone with the tartan cushions. You've also got a generous sized front chest area with short pull-out table, storage there and storage underneath, and your Truma blown air heating system. USB ports and also a 240 volt socket located on the front binnacle. Benefiting, as I mentioned earlier, the Truma blown air heating system with the Swift Command control panel with built-in digital DAB radio, connectivity via the Swift Command app, and also the ability to track your Caravan exactly where it is via Swift Command. This panel here is simply a touchpad for that tracking system. So stepping towards the rear of the Caravan, you've got a generous sized large vanity mirror above a large sink with storage underneath. Your freestanding table for the front located here in this wonderful tucked away cubby hole, and above a robe hook. Generous sized wardrobe located towards the back. So here you have your Vision Plus box and also your hanging rail with multi-directional aerial. Shelf there and also storage underneath. A generous sized individual shower cubicle with touch dimmable spotlight in it, and plenty of space there with slide across concertina door. So that gives you a real good feel and a good understanding for what this Sprite Alpine 2 2021 model has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact us. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.